Hi there! In this video I will show you how to enter and exit the developer mode on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So to activate the developer mode, go to settings, scroll all the way down and go to about phone menu. Here find software information, tap on it and find build number. And you have to tap on this item for 7 times. Now unlock your screen with your pattern or PIN code or password and go back and back again. Scroll a little bit down and you see the developer options menu. Let's go inside. Here you have a lot of tweaks, beginning of just tweaks for fun like animation speed change to the core tweaks like graphic driver mode and so on. So be careful here. Let me show you an example. For example, I can see the traces of my taps activating this option, or see the pointer location and the trace of my finger moving on the screen. I can deactivate any option anytime, or deactivate the full developer options mode, and all activated options will be deactivated. So let's go back. We don't have the developer option mode now, and all developer tweaks are off, and you can get back to them anytime by going to this menu, finding software information and tapping the build number for 7 times. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you liked this video.